In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Jira custom field context and default values. If you've ever tried to figure out why a field appears in one project or issue type but seems to disappear in another, you know how frustrating Jira configuration can feel. The good news is that in Jira Cloud, this is much easier to check once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open the right admin area, locate a specific custom field, and review the context settings that control where that field is used and what default values apply. To begin, open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Jira Cloud site. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right area of the screen and click the Settings gear icon. This takes you into the administrative area where site-wide configuration options are managed. After the settings menu opens, find and select issues or work items, depending on how your Jira interface is labeled. When that page loads, move to the navigation panel on the left side and click Fields. This opens the full Fields directory, where you can review the custom and system fields available in your Jira environment. At the top of the fields list, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search field and type the name of the field you want to inspect. For example, you might search for something like a story point estimate, or the name of one of your own custom fields. As you type, Jira filters the list so you can quickly find the correct field without scrolling through everything manually. Once you've found the field, go to the far right side of its row and click the three-dot More Actions menu. From that dropdown, choose Context and Default Value. This opens the configuration area where Jira shows you exactly how that field is set up across your site. On this screen, review the listed configuration schemes carefully. Pay close attention to the scheme name and the area that shows where the field applies. This is where you can see which issue types, such as story, task, or bug, and which projects the field is associated with. This is the key to understanding why a field behaves differently in different workflows or boards. If you need to make a change, click Edit Context next to the relevant entry. From there, you can update options such as the field's applicable scope or its default value, then click Save. After that, return to your project, open a sample issue, and confirm that the field now appears exactly as expected. That's it. You now know how to locate and review Jira custom field contexts with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.